In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give editor permission in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let someone fully edit a file by sharing a link while keeping control over who can access it. First, log into Google Drive using your browser. Once you're in, find the file or folder you want others to edit. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even a folder containing multiple files. Click it once to highlight it, then right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Share. This opens the sharing window, where you control who can access your file and what they're allowed to do. If you've never adjusted these settings before, your file is likely set to restricted, which means only specific people you add can open it. Now look for the section labeled General Access. Click the drop-down and change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This switch means that anyone who has the link can open the file, so use it only when it makes sense for your situation. It's great for collaborating quickly with teams, clients, or classmates without individually adding their email addresses, but avoid using it for sensitive content. Next to that access setting, you'll see a permissions dropdown. Click it and change the level to editor. Editor gives full editing rights, including the ability to modify content, add comments, and in many cases, share the file further. Make sure you truly want the recipients to have complete control over the content. If you only want them to suggest changes or leave feedback, commenter or viewer would be safer, but for this tutorial, choose editor as required. Once you've set the access to anyone with the link and the permission to editor, click Copy Link. This places the shareable link on your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, email, or chat. When you're done, click Done to close the sharing window. A quick recap. Log into Google Drive, locate your file, right-click and choose Share. Switch general access to anyone with the link. Set the permission to editor, copy the link, and finish by clicking Done. Before you send the link, consider whether the file contains private information. If it does, you might want to revert to restricted and share only with specific people. Otherwise, the link-based editor setting is a fast, effective way to collaborate in real time. That's it. You've successfully given editor permission in Google Drive using a shareable link.